Hello students, today we are solving Jadavpur Economics Honors questions for statistical methods. So this question is about correlation coefficient we have to find out. So we are given 5 pairs of values of x and y and the values of x plus y. So we have to make a table first. So x plus y, the values are given as 24, 28, 30, 33, 35. So we are given 5 observations. So summation of this is 150. So x plus y minus your 30 observations. So this becomes minus 6, minus 2, 0, 3 and 5. So summation of this becomes 0, and now x plus y minus 30 whole square. 36, 4, 0, 9 and 25. So summation of this 74. So we have to calculate correlation coefficient. So before correlation coefficient we need standard deviations or variances. So here we have variances of x and y. So sigma x square is equals to 6. Sigma y square is equals to 2. We have to find out r x y. So now x plus y mean. So summation of this x plus y, this mean of x plus y. So this becomes 150 by 5 observations. So we have 30, right? So that's why we have subtracted 30 from this and we have done our summations. Then we taken square of these summations. So sigma x plus y square becomes 74 divided by 5. So this becomes 14.8. So x plus y minus this is this and this its whole square. So we get 74 by 5, 14.8. Now we know sigma x plus y square equal to sigma x square plus sigma y square plus 2 covariance xy. So 2 covariance xy is equal to, this is your 14.8 minus 6 minus 2. So this is 6.8. So now our xy covariance xy equals to sigma x sigma y. So this becomes, so covariance xy divided by 2. So this becomes 3.4. 6.8 divided by 2. 3.4 divided by root over 6 root over 2. You get 0.9815. This is your answer. Thank you.